Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync Office 365 Calendar with Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Freshsales account. Come to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then from here click on Personal Settings, and then click here on Calendar and Conferencing. I want you to go ahead and scroll down and then click on Office 365. I suggest you already be logged in to your Microsoft 365 account. I'm logged in, so it will just go ahead and ask me to authorize Freshsales to have permissions to access apps, including my calendar. Okay, click here on accept. And once we have given this consent and we have accepted this, then it will initialize. And as you can see, the integration has been completed successfully. And then you can just select the calendar that you want to sync and then click here on save and sync, and it has been initiated. And that is how to sync Office 365 calendar with Freshsales.